Azure Monitor can collect data from a variety of sources like applications, operating systems, and any other services that rely on it. Azure Monitor collects data from each of the following tiers. It collects information from application monitoring data, which has the data about the performance and functionality of the code you have written, regardless of its platform. Guest OS monitoring data. Data about the operating system on which your application is running. That could be running in Azure or in a different cloud or probably on premise. Azure resource monitoring data. That is the data about the operations of an Azure resource. How about subscription monitoring? This is the data about the operation and management of an Azure subscription, as well as the data about the health and operation of Azure itself. Azure tenant monitoring data is also done where you get the information about the operation of tenant level Azure services such as Azure Active Directory. As soon as you create an Azure subscription and start adding resources such as virtual machines and web applications, Azure Monitor starts doing its work. It starts to collect data. Activity logs will then record when resources are created or modified. Metrics will tell you how the resource is performing and the resources that it is consuming. So it starts to collect various telemetry information for the internal operation of the resource and allows you to configure different data sources to collect logs and metrics from Windows and Linux guest operating systems as well.